Hi all and welcome to the Game Week 16 tips for FPL. This game week has just come up after just a day, so we don't have much time to actually decide about the number of players which you need to have. But you need to keep in mind that this is a game week which will have a cup, a cup. You can qualify for the cup if you do really well in this game week, and you have to be in first 4.1 million players. So all the best for that. I will just give you some deadline suggestions for some defenders, some midfielders, some goalkeepers as well as forwards. Before that, I would request you to subscribe to our channel. Now let's look at what we did in the last week. And in the last week, we picked up this team. 5 out of the 8 players did really well. The players which missed out were unfortunately the duo of Liverpool, which is Salah and Firmino, and we all expected them to do really well. But as we suggested El Ghazi and Mina as the differential picks, I think both of them did not do any harm to their strong recommendation. In fact, Bruno Fernandes was our captain and he did fairly well. So we scored around 63 points, which was above average but not so great. But considering that the changes which teams are doing right now, the number of players which are starting, which we're not even sure, the rotation which is happening, I think it was still a decent effort which we put in. So let's look at the first goalkeeper which we are suggesting. And the first keeper we are suggesting is Nick Pope. Nick Pope has 5 clean sheets in 13 matches, 69 points, second highest for a keeper, 48 saves made so far. And if you see the next 5 matches, he has relatively simple matches. And all those matches wherein they can actually score, he can have good points, he should be picked up. Next is Hugo Lloris. Now, Hugo Lloris, again, 5 clean sheets, 13 matches. Tottenham there and thereabout, 66 points, which is third highest for the keeper, 48 saves made so far. And next game against Fulham, which we expect that they would have a clean sheet. So you can also consider Hugo Lloris for that. Another player which you can consider is Charlie Taylor. Charlie Taylor 4.5 valued. Again, this is a player which has 2 relatively simple games in the coming game weeks and also has double game week in the game week, I would say in the last game week. And for Vestergaard's replacement, you can consider this player. Another one which we have is Sadio Mane. As a midfielder, Sadio Mane, again, he looks in strong form. He has very good attacking threat as of now. He is doing really well, again, has a double game week. And in fact, since he's not firing is Kevin De Bruyne, you can consider him as a player. Another midfielder, Soucek. Soucek is again a strong player. If you see, again, double game week which is happening, 4 goals, 1 assist, 63 FPL points, a little cheap at 5.1 and is in a very good form, scoring in last 3 games for West Ham United. So you can consider this player also. Another player, when we go to the forwards, we would have Shea Adams. Shea Adams, again, 6.1 valued, 4 goals, 5 assists so far, 69 FPL points. And if you see the next 5 matches, again double game week for game week 19, you need to again remember that there would be double game week soon. So he needs to be there and he's firing with all cylinders. So a good pick from our side. Now next to the forward list, we have Tammy Abraham. Tammy Abraham, again, relatively cheap player at 7.2, 6 goals, 2 assists so far, 60 FPL points. And next 5 matches, again, those are the matches wherein you expect them to score. So I believe Tammy Abraham can also be a good pick for you, for your team. If I talk about the captains, now the captains can be either of Mo Salah and Harry Kane. So Mo Salah has a game against Newcastle away, which I believe that Liverpool will hit back again after struggling. And for Harry Kane, again, Fulham home, we all expect him to actually fire in. If you take my advice, I would go with Mo Salah because Liverpool would be really hungry. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening to us. And we would come back with more FPL tips and Dream 11 tips. So please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you and wish you all the best.